Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Dulushi here. So today it's my time to do unbox a brand new OPPO ENCO Buds 2. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's the box. I chose black color, but the inside is green color, as you can see. Looks nice. OPPO ENCO Buds 2 model. This is new model. The side, the back side, the feature. Not bad for the feature. Very nice. So now let's unbox. So here's the inside. Plastic on. It has a 6 month of official OPPO warranty. Nice. Just pull this plastic. This is the OPPO ENCO Buds 2, black color. Wow. You saw this thing, just pull it. You got a free of extra ear rubber piece, as you can see, with different size. You can replace it by your own. The books, manual, Arab language. This is the app you can download on the Play Store. Hey Melody app. Alright, so here's my brand new OPPO ENCO Buds 2. Circle design, very slim and very light, very quality, fully plastic. Just push up. That's it. This is the earphone. Just take out. This is a very nice, the right earphone. The left side of your phone. Very nice. Actually, I bought this. I wanna replace my previous 5-year-old original Apple earphone, because as you can see, the both right and left side wire almost went off. So that's why I bought this as a replacement. Very nice. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox a brand new OPPO ENCO Buds 2 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.